Step 1. Put the LPG tank onto the machine and connect them. Pour half a bag of paint first, and then add more after it is melted. Pour glass beads in the box. Step 2. Add some gasoline to the engine. This is the engine switch. Close the choke valve. Increase the throttle a little. Pull the starter rope and then open the choke valve. Open the ignition gun valve. Open the bottom fire valve. Light the ignition gun. Then light the bottom stove. Totally 5 powerful fire burner to melt paints directly. Light the back fire to preheat the die shoe before marking. These are walking and stirring control handles. This is hydraulic stirring system. Stir the paint frequently during the melting process. Connect the clutch, put down the die shoe, and push the walk handle forward. Push the stirring handle forward. The machine begins to stir clockwise. Press down the discharge door handle to open it. Put down the die shoe and press down the die shoe handle fully. Push the walk handle to control the machine moving. Firstly, lift up the die shoe and then push the walk handle in the middle position to stop the machine. When it reaches 200, open the discharge door and let the paint flow into the die shoe bucket. Let's start marking work now. Turn on the dispenser switch and it will automatically spray glass beads on the line surface. This is a self-propelled machine, so you only need to hold it during working. These are finished marking lines made by this machine. After working, discharge the excess paint in the machine in time.